Hey guys, my name is Hannah. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use some of the basic functions of this website called Glogster. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Your username cannot have any spaces or special characters, so here's my tag, Happy Hannah S. I'm going to log in and go ahead and get started. So right here you can see a few blogs that I have made. What a blog is basically just a collage of a bunch of different features, a few of which I'm going to show you in this video. So right here, some of these are labeled unfinished private. That means that I started on them, but I'm not ready to present them. I'm still working on them. So right now, nobody else can see them except for myself. So I'm going to show you how to create a new blog. So you can click this big green button, create new blog. You can see a bunch of different options. So if I wanted to teach something about a certain subject, maybe a math lesson, you can see a bunch of different already made templates right here that I could choose from. Now, the free version of Glogster only allows you to do 6 elements, and the elements are, say, you can see right here, different. There are a few places that say replace the image, a few text boxes. So we're not going to use one of those, but if I wanted to do maybe a review for math, a review for addition for first graders, I can put in a plus sign in one of those boxes, explain the concept of addition in the column below it, different things like that. But I'm going to create a new blog completely from scratch. I'm going to choose blank portrait. Now you can do portrait or landscape. Either way, it's just the orientation of it. So this one, whenever it comes up, will be just a blank page that I can add whatever I want to. And the first thing I'm going to do is, I love Valentine's Day, and it is February, so we're going to do a Valentine's theme. The first thing I'm going to do is add a background. So I'll choose wall. You can see a few that I've used on other blogs. You can click add image and upload from your computer. You can do a link. You can use the grab tool, which is not actually available on the free version. You can also choose from a gallery of pictures they have available. I'm going to choose a solid color. I like this pretty one, so I'll choose that. That's a Valentine's color. Next, I want to add some music, so I'll click audio. I can do URL link, upload from my computer. I'm going to do a link. So one of my favorite love songs is Stand By Me by Ben E. King. There it is. So I'll click on it and make sure it's a song that I want, the correct version and everything, and it is. So I'm going to just copy the link and paste it right here. Click add link, and here's my video. Now at the end, when I'm ready to present this, I want it to just start playing on its own without me having to click the play button. So I'll click this little gear, toggle the autoplay switch, and now it says autoplay on. So whenever I present it at the end, the music will just start playing on its own. The next thing I want to add is a title. So I'll click, I'm going to go ahead and expand this to full screen. There we go, now you can see the whole image. I'm going to click text. You can do a heading, a paragraph, a word bubble. I'm just going to do a heading. Drag the text box up here to the top and double click inside the text box. And I'm going to type in Happy Valentine's Day. There we go, my happy little message. Now this font's okay, but I want to use something a little fancier. How about this one? And now that's a little bit thin, so I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to center align it and change the color. Now, I think one of these purples, yeah, I like that. I think that goes well with the Valentine's theme. And I also want to make it a little bit bigger. So I could choose one of these little elements to change the size. I can do the drop down arrow, but I'm going to just fit it to the box. So there's my title. Next, I want to add a picture. So I'll go to this mountain called for image, my bad. I'm going to choose, I can also upload from my computer again. I can add by URL link. I'm going to choose this picture of my dog because how cute is she? Going to move these out of the way. I can move all these around later when I'm ready to edit the finished product. Another really cool feature is a 3D model. So this one, I've already got a few here that I've used before. I can upload one, I can search for them. I'm going to search heart for our Valentine's theme, and there are a bunch of cool ones here. I'll choose this first one because it seems to be pretty simple, and I'll show you how that works whenever we're viewing the finished product. The last element I'm going to add is a graphic. So I'll click graphic, and you can see, you've probably noticed some of these categories and other things we've looked at. I'm going to choose this one called retro. And now here's a cool heart already available for me to use. I'm gonna move it up here. And now I'm ready to touch this up because it looks a little bit messy. It's all kind of random. So that's a little bit big. I'm just gonna move everything around kind of how I like it. I'll move this video to the bottom because it's not for watching, it's really just for listening. This picture of my dog up here. And here's the 3D video of the heart. So I'm going to click this arrow button right here. It says go to preview mode. And see, this is how others will see your glog. So you see my song already starts playing. My 3D animation video is ready. I'll just click the play button. And see, this heart starts beating. So that's really cool. What's really cool about it though, is you can drag it around, see different perspectives of it. And now other people have made these. And that's what I'm using, is one that somebody else has made. So I'll pause this. And next I'm going to save this glog because I like how it looks. I think it's pretty good. So I'm going to click this X, which doesn't just close out like you'd think it would, like I thought it would. I'm going to rename it Happy Valentine's Glog. How about that? So it's set to public. I'll choose save. So you can send it to students, copy the URL, email it, embed it, print it, whatever you'd want. I'm just going to head back to my dashboard, my home screen, and here it is, Happy Valentine's Glog. So I can click on it and see how it's ready to view. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial of Glogster and learned a lot of tips and tricks on how to use it. Thanks for watching.